How to book cheap flights through WayAway. So if you want to book your flights, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go for the search bar and search for WayAway. And here you will have the first search, which is www.travelpricejobs.com. Under that you will have WayAway. Click on that, and here you need to first enter your current address or the address from where you would like to take off, and then the address where you would like to land. So choose the address, and once you've chosen, now you need to choose the adults. So here I've chosen one adult, and then the economy class or business or the first. So choose your class, and then if you want the round trip, like if you want to book the return tickets, then you can choose round trip, or if it's one way, then choose one way. And you can choose your date, and once you choose your date, now you can click on search flights, and here you will have all of the searches. So you can simply scroll down, and from here you can select the cheapest price that you would like to go. So for example, I'll be choosing the first one. Click on select, which is on the right side, and once it's okay, you need to click on select, which is again here on the right side. And once you click on select, you need to simply make your payment through whichever way comfortable. And once you make your payments, your flight will be booked. So that's it. That's how you book your cheap flights through WayAway. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.